In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit PDF file in Adobe Acrobat 2026. Edit PDF file. If you've ever needed to quickly tweak wording, fix a typo, or replace an image in a PDF, this walkthrough will show you the exact workflow, start to finish, so your edits look clean and professional. Begin by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro 2026. Once the file is open, head to the Tools view. From there, choose Edit PDF. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and reveals all the controls you need. You'll notice that text and images become selectable and a formatting panel appears on the right. That panel is your control center for fonts, sizes, colors, alignment, and more. So keep it in view as you work. Click directly on the text you want to change. You can place your cursor to type or drag to select words and replace them. Acrobat treats each block of text as an editable object, so you can move a text box if needed by dragging it and snap it into place using the guides that appear. If a font used in the PDF isn't installed on your computer, Acrobat may substitute a similar font. Keep an eye on spacing so your layout stays consistent. To adjust images, click the image once to select it. You'll see handles around the edges. Drag a corner handle to resize while keeping the proportions looking natural, and drag inside the box to reposition the image where it belongs. If the image overlaps text, align it carefully so it doesn't hide anything important. The right-hand panel also lets you fine-tune properties so your visuals match the document's style. Use the formatting options in the right panel to change font, size, and color. Small, consistent changes usually look best, match the existing style, so edits blend seamlessly. If you need to fix spacing or alignment, the same panel provides quick controls for line spacing and paragraph settings, helping you avoid awkward line breaks. When your edits look good, go to File and choose Save. That writes your changes directly into the PDF, so it's ready to share or archive. If you're collaborating, saving more frequently helps prevent conflicts and keeps your edits secure. A couple of quick notes as you work. If you can't click into a section, the PDF may have restrictions, or it may be a scanned image. In those cases, editing options can be limited. Also, if something doesn't look right after a change, use undo to step back and try a smaller adjustment. And that's it. You've opened your PDF, entered Edit PDF, modified text and images, fine-tuned formatting, and saved your changes all within Adobe Acrobat Pro 2026.